My name is Coralee McIntosh, and I am from the community of Chestermere. I think the biggest draw was just to be able to have some more skills and tools in my toolbox to be able to facilitate some of the conversations that were happening in our community at the time. And just really liked the approach that it's focused on rural communities specifically because there is such a high need for support in those areas. The feedback that we received from the youth survey and from the focus groups has led to year 3, which is providing training in our community. So reaching out to community members of all ages to bring more awareness to the programs and services and supports that are available in our community, to destigmatize reaching out and seeking support, and then just starting to build that sort of network of safe people in our community that youth can go to. So our mental health fair was a one-day event. We reached out to a number of members on our mental health coalition to take part in that mental health fair. So it was kind of a dual kind of event. We had a trade fair around the outside of the room with all of the service providers that provide supports for mental health in our community. And then we had a series of presentations throughout the event as well. So we tried to keep the presentations short and sweet and to the point. It was really just to spark a conversation and let people know, that there are resources available there or here, right in your community. Yeah. And one aspect of it that we're hoping we can draw a little bit more on in the future is we had a student present with one of our professionals for the exploitation and social media safety presentation, which was fantastic because he was able to speak from the voice of youth in our community. It wasn't, okay, youth want to hear this. It's like, we want to hear this and we need help with this, which was really, really excellent. And that's definitely something we want to grow for future events. Just be open and be flexible and roll with it, because you'll never know what's going to come up. We never really expected to do a mental health fair as our main a workshop and education part of this. And it was just sort of conversations with our coalitions, like, hey, wouldn't it be cool if we could do this? And then you start thinking about like, yeah, we can do this. And so, yeah, just roll with it and see where it goes. And usually at the end, it might be a lot of work, but at the end, it gets to a really, really cool place.